As we enter into 124th year of existence on 12th of April 2018, I wish to congratulate all our stakeholders made by our equity providers, our customers and our PNBs. During this journey from Lahore to Delhi, we have seen various turmoils in banking industry. We have faced the partition and honored the faith of our customers. The bank has not only taken good care of customers, it has contributed into the national development by contributing to the various sectors of economy, agriculture, MSME, retail banking and infrastructure development. During the course of our journey, we found to stay ahead of the curve, we need to transform our business processes, and our bank has recently launched Mission Parivartan. The basic purpose of this mission is to transform the bank to be future ready, to adopt the recent developments taking place in the area of banking and technology. We have acquired a new software, Finacle 10, which is latest in the banking sector and successfully rolled it out in the month of January itself. Our bank is definitely oriented to the customer service, and our young PNBs are really providing a good lead to us. They are contributing by way of suggestions in the Lead the Portal Parivartan for changes into people, processes and products. These changes are going to make our bank future ready to meet out the challenges of future. Our bank is really committed to deliver on its commitments, and we have done the same in the case of recent turmoil also. We have honored all our commitments to the various stakeholders, various banks, and I am really thankful to my all PNBs as well as my customers and our equity holders of giving their unstinted support during this turbulent time, which has helped us in coming out of the crisis and which is shown by the numbers generated by our bank as on 31st March 2018. The number shows that we have grown in our business in terms of deposits. We have not lost the faith of the customers, we have gained the faith of the customers. We have not lost our credit portfolio. We are in the range of 10% growth in domestic credit, which was as per the original plan and guidance given by our bank in this area. I am really thankful to my various stakeholders and wish to place on record my appreciation of the all PNBs who stood with me during this turbulent time to transform the bank or are in the process of making it future ready. Thank you. Jai Hind.